Hi everyone, welcome to Trade Concepts. Before I get started, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Anything I say is suggestive and for entertainment purposes only. Trade at your own risk. Okay, so what do we see upcoming for the week? I always try to trade what I see, and here's what I see. First, I see USD CHF. You can see right here we are overbought. And up here, I've marked it with a blue square, so an order block zone or a resistance, if you will, it's more of it's an area. It's not it's not an exact pinpoint way of knowing the market's going to turn or not. All we can really do is kind of throw it in an area where we might have seen, things turn around out from different points. So as you can see, it's got a little bit of an area here that it could work into before it actually comes down. But this will be one to look forward to into the next week, which could possibly be a really good trade. Next, I have the Aussie and New Zealand dollar. And as you can see, I've already put the red line up here showing for an order block zone. This is a really good one right here. Seems to hit really, really well. And of course, I drew the blue square already in here, showing there that it could still be an area. And as you see right down here, we are just showing to be overbought within that area on stochastics. So this could very well be a good potential trade too going into next week. Something to look forward to and maybe keep an eye on. Another one is USD JPY. Now this one here, this one looks like it's creating a double top. Now, although I did create a blue area where it could turn and go the other way, you can see right here where it's created this double top pattern. And we could potentially see this go, down at least maybe back into this area here. But obviously, if you follow the rules of Renko Simplified, if you got in here, you more than likely did get stopped out. But there's a potential of getting back into this for that double top while still being overbought or close to being overbought. So there's still a potential to get in here, and then and if you did, you could get in basically in the same area here and try to get 2 bricks. And 2 bricks here, these are 50 pip blocks, so you'd get 100 pips out of this trade if it were to come in that way. But this is just another trade to look forward to. There might be some potential there. And on UCAD, I am still stuck on UCAD. I got into this trade about 2 weeks ago, and all it's done is just kind of dance around right here. The reason why I got into this trade was because you can see it's divergent. We see the market kind of trying to go up here, but yes, stochastic is trying to go down. So I'm just holding out at the moment to see how this trade's going to turn out. See if this will eventually go in the direction I've chosen. You can see I'm trying to get my profit somewhere in this area here. This is a little bit more profit than I typically try to get, although divergent trades I tend to go a little bit more aggressive for getting profits. So we'll see how that plays out and if I can actually see this end up being a winner or not. Another one is Euro USD. Now, Euro USD, I drew this, this line right here. You can see where I've got many touches here. And you can see it kind of got stopped right there, then finally penetrated through for some little bit of confluence there, what was going on. You see we got a hit here. But if we get to this point here on this pink line or on this trend line, this could show to be very well being oversold, which this would be a great trade to take on up to the north. So, trade what you see. Look for those structures, look for those patterns, if you will, to find these trades and get yourself ready to be set up for the next week. There's lots of trades here. I just showed you, 5 potential trades. I think it was 5 anyway. Yeah, 5 potential trades that you could possibly take in the upcoming week that could offer you some pips. But anyway, definitely check the market out. What I see and what you see is going to be 2 different things. Just make sure to check twice with what you're looking at. Put in your due diligence and just make sure you're prepared. Anyway, hopefully this video was of help. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.